What's going on? It's the usual thing we do every Sunday.
Go to the left. Go to the left.
Today we are at... Oh, to the left.
Go to the left.
To the left, to the
Go
left.
Son of a bitch.
Everything of yours is in the box. To the left. Beyonce. What? Beyonce has some good songs.
Oh, yeah,
Not
tremendous.
even a front. Alright, fucking. Well, I was hanging out with this Ukrainian kid the other day. This is a topic that I wanted to bring up. Foreign people, when you come here to New Jersey, cannot hit us up all the fucking time every day for dime bags and shit. Like, it's annoying. This dude, like, only gets dime bags. Like, I know he has money for other shit. Like, I'm like, yo, like, with all the dime bags you've gotten, you could have got, like, a quarter by now. And I'm like, dude, it's ridiculous. And he's like, I want to smoke with your friend TK. Where is TK? Can TK help me get the dime bag for me? I smoke with you.
TK?
Matthias. That's what they call him.
Fucking maniac.
That's his nickname. Yeah, on the street. That fucking maniac. I'm the reason why that kid's a fucking maniac.
Should've.
I definitely didn't help with that. That's for sure.
This guy's playing on my bass.
But you know, like, this kid, dead ass, like,
Yo, this shit just makes you sink the fuck in, bro.
You used to play video games in that, like, dead ass, like.
Yeah, no.
I remember, like,
dude,
you playing PS3 or Silent Hill on PS2.
I'd sit with my ass here, and then I'd sit back like this, and then my tailbone would hurt, and my neck would hurt.
But yeah, this Ukrainian kid, his name, I'm not gonna use his real name, because I don't know.
Fucking...
He likes a lot of our music too. He likes like that "Spit on Your Grave" song I made with freaking Matthias.
Oh, tremendous!
He actually likes that shit. Like he bumps it. I'm like, yo, you. He's like, I really like the song. I play it at house.
We play it at house.
Serious. He lives with his grandmother by the waterfront. Like this nigga will be wearing like dead ass like Supreme. Like he always has some name brand shit on. I'm like, yo, you got mad money, dog, to be wearing this shit. Like, why do you keep buying these insignificant amounts of marijuana and bothering me? Or bothering TK, rather. TK Matthias. He's always just, like, complaining. He's like, yo, this nigga will not stop texting me, man. I think he's gay. I think he's gay, bro.
It's, it's a different time. Whatever. I don't know what I'm trying to play about that. Fucking buddies. The only thing I could say is that, like, probably kind of sounds similar to, like, Admir. A little bit.
Admir?
Okay, so there's this guy that... That really did it for me right there. That was just like, that's the closer. What's it called? This guy in me that I fucking work with, he has two jobs. He has one job with me in the morning, job in the afternoon. And he doesn't, because what he tells me is that the job that I work with him is his first one. So, he, like, just, I guess, came here from wherever or
Whatever, what country?
Wherever. I mean, no, like, I know, but it's, there's no need. It's none of my business.
Yep.
Spreading that shit. He came from Glockenland, and, and then he just got a job immediately here. Later on after, I guess, like, I don't know, fucking year after. I think he told me like 2 years after he was working there, he got a job cleaning some shit. I could be wrong. I don't know. He got a second job. And there's this guy that I work with, Jay, and he didn't know how to talk to people because he didn't really know English that well when he first came here. No shit. obviously, you know, like you're gonna have that from somebody.
Yeah, like,
And,
like this
so-
kid's fucking hilarious. This other kid, but keep going. What are you
So
done with?
Jay's fucking going on, and Jay's, you know, just, I don't know. Jay actually, he's not from here either. This guy Jay, he's like from. I hate when people
in group chats.
I can't think of a fake name. So he's just from wherever. And, what's it called? He's coming in, he's like, yo, my nigga, get over here, all this shit, yo, bitch. Come on, do this shit, yo, bitch. All this yo, bitch. I don't know why he says it like that.
Yo, bitch.
It's like saying, do
Yo,
this shit,
bitch.
yo, or do this shit, bitch. But he's saying, do this shit, yo, bitch. I'm just like, are you
Yo,
saying
bitch.
your bitch?
Your bitch.
Because that doesn't make any sense. Or are you just saying yo and bitch in the same fucking sentence?
Your
I don't
bitch.
I don't know. I don't really care. It's not in my sense.
Yeah, you.
So then I guess. So I guess like 3 years passed, and then
Bitch.
I wind up getting a job at this facility.
Yo, bitch.
And
Yo, come over here, bitch. Get your ass over here.
oh my god.
Right now.
It's impossible to like keep a one-track mind with this animal. That's and he's oh my god, fucking. He's 3 years in. I just come in here and like he's like just the biggest dickhead ever, for like 2 months. And he's not good. Like he's had the second job.
Yeah.
For like a few months. He does not know how to talk to like anybody at the second job. He was telling me one story that it was like
Yeah, what am I, a fucking bongo?
he was telling me a story that at his second job somebody walked up to him and he was like, hi Edmure, how are you?
Yeah.
And then he was just like, my friend, I don't have time, I need to work.
I don't have time, I need to work.
I know I have time, I need to work, because he didn't know what that means. Because he told me he was like, I don't know, I didn't know. He told me that he didn't know that, fucking, like, that's how a normal person fucking greets somebody.
Yeah.
It's always, yo, what's good, my nigga? Yo, what's good? All that shit. That's the only greeting
Yo,
he
what's
knows.
good, my nigga? Yo,
That's
what's good? Really? That's it?
That's it. No,
Is
that's
it exactly like that?
That's exactly
Yo,
how
what's good, my
he
nigga?
is. And he's
Yo, what's good?
and he's like,
Is he in your face like that, like in your ear, like, yo, what's good?
yes.
Yo!
He'll either A, get in your face, or he'll just scream it from across the fucking warehouse. Yo, my nigga!
Yo, does he-
and
yo,
I'm just
does he
like,
do this
meanwhile, you look at
Yo,
how
how
white
about
I
this?
am.
Yeah! Yeah!
No, he does not do yer. He does not. Nobody.
Yeah!
No.
Yo, out in Amboy, that's all you hear. Yurt! Yurt!
I hate that. I
Yo,
hate
yurt!
it so much.
Yo, yurt, man.
No, I hate that.
You want to get yogurt?
I hate it.
I want yogurt.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate that phrase. I hate that expression.
Fuck, oh, here it is.
So basically, I ask him, I'm just like, yo, so the only way that you know how to talk to people is over here. And then somebody told me that it was like, yeah, no, like, if you go to his house, like, he acts like completely different. Like,
He's like,
kind of
totally,
just-
like, calms
just-
down.
He calms down, he just acts like he's from wherever he's from. He's very quiet, he's with his wife and all that shit.
That's nice.
And then that's it. Like, he's
So,
just
like,
very calm.
like, they're gonna just change it. It's like,
He acts like he doesn't really know that much English either. He acts like he
oh, so he knows.
He pretends that he doesn't like.
Just like
speak
Dominican
English.
people in
And I
Amboy,
was
they know.
like, what?
They know English.
I was
They
like,
know
what are you
English.
doing?
They know it. They just don't want to speak it.
You know that's.
You fucking know. You liars! You liars! I want to scream in their face, man. Sometimes, be like, liar! Speak English! Because, yo, I'm from Jersey, bro. Like, I may be Puerto Rican, but I'm from here. I was born here. I went to Catholic school, like, from kindergarten to 3rd grade. I spoke a lot of English. I mean, I speak some Spanish, too, but Damn, you come to this country not knowing the fucking vernacular that they have forced upon you? If you want to talk about forced languages, look at Spanish as that's a forced language. Didn't they force Spanish on the freaking indigenous people?
Indigenous? I'm sorry.
The Indians.
I'm a little bit behind on it. Oh, Indians? That's what they call them? Indigenous people?
That's what they're supposed to be called. Natives, indigenous people, tribal people. They're not really Indians. Indians are the, you know.
You could say American Indian.
Well, they're not all American.
When
all the Indians are American.
Where the fuck are they from?
Well, there's Native Americans, then there's Caribbean island, natives.
Caribbean island natives.
How about the freaking Aztecs? Are they Native American?
Aztecs?
Or the Mayans?
Were they on American soil?
Mexico, I think. Apparently, Mexico is not part of America, and there's a big problem with that. If you didn't know,
if they're from Mexico, aren't they Mexican?
Yeah, but there was these were the Indians that had to be raped by the Spaniards to become Mexican. Understand? They weren't Mexican to start.
Reading about that.
The fucking Spaniards went there and raped them all and killed a bunch, and the ones that survived gave birth to what would become Mexicans.
Okay, hold on.
Same thing with Puerto Ricans.
Repeat what you just said because I lost all that. I lost all that. Repeat the last 30 seconds of what you
Before any of this was known to be America, the conquistadors came here and discovered it. They were from Spain. They went to places like the Caribbean islands, Mexico, and there was already Indians living there, just like in America. There was already Indians there. And they were Indians, native indigenous people. In Mexico, in Canada, they're called something different. Each region has a different name for these. But that's besides the point. Well, they went there, and they killed them and raped a lot of them. And made what would become Puerto Ricans and Mexicans. Also, there was a lot of, black slaves as well. So that contributed a lot.
So you're saying that Puerto Ricans and Mexicans are actually a mixed race from original races?
Yes. Yes, we are.
To be Mexican is mixed, and Puerto Rican, if you were 100% Puerto Rican, you're 100% Puerto Rican, right?
Well, yeah, since that's considered a nationality.
That's like Irish people. They're, nobody's really
completely Irish. Yeah.
Nobody's completely Irish. There's something mixed within it during the age of fucking, I guess.
Yeah, Puerto Ricans have African blood, native blood, and Spaniard blood. And some of that even, Portuguese. My last name's not really a Puerto Rican
You have African blood in it?
Yeah, I do.
That's neat.
I have African blood. Why is that so hard to understand?
Is that why you're so warm-hearted?
The fuck are you talking about?
I don't fucking know.
Warm-hearted.
I'm just bored, I'm tired, and it's barely noon.
You're bored and tired?
Yeah, no.
We do this every Sunday, though. This is our thing.
I know. No, I'm not saying this. I just said overall I'm bored, my back hurt. Look at my fucking nail. That shit's about to fall off. That fucking thing destroyed it.
It fell on you, the ding?
The whole top piece slammed on this finger.
The thing?
Not the thing, the window, not the thing. The window.
The window?
The top window slammed on my fucking finger. Just crushed it damn near.
I'm sorry, man.
Shit hurt. No, you're not.
I am.
Alright, look at that. That looks like a kill house. I should actually I need to add tape. I want to strengthen it even more. I need to insulate it. Show him. Show him, Cameron. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Fine, you do it then.
I'll do it.
You do it.
Look at that. You see all that?
Oh my god.
You see that black and white shit? That's not a fucking curtain. That's all that.
That's all tape. Packaging
That's all
tape?
tape. That top, no.
What kind of tape is that? Why is it striped like Beetlejuice?
I don't know. I just went out and got duct tape. I didn't give a shit what. I was like, oh, this kind of looks alright.
Tape. That's what
Yeah.
I wanted. I wanted my window to look like Beetlejuice.
No, I want my window to stay up. I want my window to not fall
Beetlejuice,
down.
dog. I love that fucking. I love Beetlejuice.
Oh, this. See, yeah,
you don't like Beetlejuice? You don't like that movie? The movie's dope, bro.
The movie Beetlejuice?
Yes.
It's not bad. Oh, yo, this is cool. Oh no, I probably shouldn't show this. Right.
What?
The Schaefer. Yo, who remembers Schaefer beer? $10,000. And it comes with Manny. $10,000 you get Manny and you get the thing. Alright. I need cash today. I want to think about what to throw at you.
Why you want to throw shit at me, dog?
I don't know. I'm just getting violent.
Why, man? This is not a violent
Dude,
thing.
there's never anything to do on a fucking Sunday, bro.
I know. That's why we're doing this.
I understand that, but it's also like, you know, we're talking about stuff. We might as well talk about how fucking boring Sundays are.
Man, you never go out.
Neither do you.
My nigga, I do go out. Way more than
You
you.
go to the weird little fucking bridges. I don't want to go to no fucking bridge.
That bridge shit never even panned out. We only got halfway down the fucking trail with that
That's
fucking...
stupid. That's
because this girl brought her fat friend who
Why
couldn't fucking...
Why would you... But why
Okay, I don't want to be
if
mean.
somebody calls...
She's a little bit bigger. She's a bigger chick. She's not going to climb under fucking fences.
You already said fat. You might as well just go in guns blazing.
She's a big chick, dude. She shouldn't have came.
There's nothing wrong with being a big chick if you got the
You
stamina.
shouldn't have. No, she didn't have the stamina, my nigga.
I know big chicks with stamina. She just didn't have the stamina.
She
I know
ain't,
skinny
she ain't
chicks
the
with
one.
no stamina.
She ain't the one. She ain't the one.
But see, here's the whole entire thing. Even if she's like, yeah, no, just keep...
What?
I'll call you about it. We'll talk later. Alright, fucking... What's it called?
Ow,
God
why are you
damn you.
slapping me? Don't slap my new
I don't know,
tattoo.
it's not your new one. I slapped you here. I didn't slap you fucking there.
Yo, that
I
one-
ought to fuck you up, bitch. What you doing? We should box one of these days. We'll get gloves.
I have one pair.
Yo, you know those, God, yo, when we were younger, they had those big inflatable things, you just stick your hands in them, and they're this big, giant, fucking, like, we gotta, like, see if those are still, like, available.
Alright.
But I don't know what they're called.
Remember Hulk hands?
No, Hulk hands will probably hurt. I feel like these, like, we could actually just, like, not, unless you're okay with getting punched in the face.
No, I'm not okay with getting punched in the
We use
face.
boxing gloves. I don't
I've
know.
been punched in the
Whichever one
face.
is less expensive.
It sucked getting punched in the face.
Alright, someone will use.
Let's get headgear and
inflatable
mouth gear and proper gloves.
Why the gear?
Because I don't want to fucking break
Get
my nose
the
again.
big inflatable things.
My
You're
nigga-
not breaking your nose. Alright, fine. Headgear and mouth gear. And then gloves, that's so much more money than the fucking than just the toys. They're toys for kids. It's like they're gonna be like
we
what?
get too fucked up too often.
So
It's not
who's
gonna end
texting
well.
me? People shouldn't talk to me.
People shouldn't talk to me.
No, I don't know why.
Brent, I can't breathe right out of my nose, and I haven't breathed right out of my nose. Is that the breathe? Is that the word you're supposed to use?
Breathe? For what? For breathing?
Yeah. To breathe out. I haven't breathed out of it.
You haven't been able to breathe out of your nose.
I've been able to breathe out of my nose for a while.
Yes. Yeah. What were you trying to see if you were trying to see if there was a past tense word for breathe?
Yeah, it didn't sound right when I was saying it.
I don't know. I'm not really an English major.
You're not an English major at all, my nigga. What are you talking about? When you were an English major, you wouldn't be at a warehouse, and neither would I. I wouldn't be at Rent-A-Center. Teaching niggas English. You know what I mean? Teach them how to write summaries and shit.
Yes. Indeed. Why are you reading? So
No, someone put me in a group chat. It's annoying.
Well, then kill him. Tell him to fucking.
Get the fuck! I hate when people put me in fucking group chats, bro. Like,
If you respond to it, it's just gonna pop up. There's no.
I like that. That sounded cool. That was nice. I like this bass, man. I like this bass.
Thank you. Very much.
I have a bass too. I have a green one in my house, so it's alright. I'm not gonna steal the bass. But I'll be like, but yeah, I can run shit all day on this fucking thing. But what the fuck were we even talking about?
I don't know. Your insanity.
My insanity?
Yeah, that's what we were talking about.
So my friend, I was at my friend's house the other day. Speaking of insane moments, right? This nigga has the Illuminati triangle tattooed on his arm, or not right, like right on his hand actually, just like right here.
You go on.
And his parents are like Jehovah's Witness, and all of his stuff, like he was living with this one chick, and it didn't go well, and all of his stuff was on his parents' porch. And he has to go sorting through clothes and shit like that and looking through. And his dad comes out and he's like, "You never listen to me. You always do the wrong thing. You're going nowhere. You're going downhill." And he's just like, "You have to go back to church. Go back to Kingdom's Hall." They go to this thing called Kingdom's Hall. Jehovah's Witnesses. Jehovah's Witnesses. By if there, anybody that is Jehovah's Witness watching this channel, I think you guys are a cult. Like every other religion is a cult. Let's just call it what it is. And fuck you guys, okay? Fuck your religion. I think it's bullshit. Okay? Same thing with Mormons. Stop knocking on my door.
Is it just because they bother you?
Yeah, it's annoying. I'm like, stop knocking on my door, dude. Don't
You know, that whole entire aspect is a little bit obnoxious.
I don't want to be a Mormon.
I don't think, but I don't really remember any like Jehovah's Witnesses. Like
they knock all of them. They both do. They go to my fucking door all the time.
I'd probably have fun with them.
So I just like, please take me off the group chat. No, I'm not gonna help you with your fucking problem, bro.
Yeah, the face you make when you read is funny.
What?
The face you make when you read, when you concentrate.
Yeah, what does it look like? What's my face look like?
I don't know. You gotta watch. Just watch this afterwards. No,
What's
look at that. It looks like you died. It looks like you're about to die. To be honest. That would be a worse concentration phase. That'd be a way worse face to use when you're concentrating on things. This guy makes me want to drink liquor.
Why? That doesn't sound good. I don't want to make you an alcoholic.
Insane. No, you know who does?
Who?
Everybody I work with. As much as I like them, I do like. I don't work anywhere in particular, but the people that I work with are cool, but they're just out of fucking control. And they really just make me just want to go home, and they stress me out. I like them, but they stress me out.
I hate ceiling fans so
Some
much.
nonsense they're doing.
I gotta lean back. Oh,
You hate ceiling fans?
yeah. I don't like your ceiling fan.
Fuck you. What do you mean? What's wrong with my
I
ceiling
don't like
fan?
it.
Why? Is it dusty?
Mine doesn't work. Mine...
Oh, you don't like it because mine works.
want to ruin your things. I'm just joking. That's horrible. I don't want
You know that these bulbs aren't actually out. They're just fucking...
Oh, you just turn them off like that?
I just unscrew them.
Like, my dad does the same thing.
Save on electricity.
What's your birthday, anyway? June?
You know, I've been friends with him since I was, like, 14.
Do you remember my birthday?
It's in October.
No, you're fucking wrong, nigga. It's in August. So, yeah. You don't remember mine. And you're looking at me like...
don't mean anything.
They don't. I was just asking.
Yo, I can't get this bulb back in my fixture. I need to replace it.
Man, I'm gonna fucking bick this shit out of my head because that shit, I just see it. Dude. Fuck it. That was because for many years,
okay.
I was doing that whole skinhead thing, guys. Ow. Your fucking big ass James Gandolfini hand smacked the shit out of my fucking head.
It covers like your whole head.
Apparently people think I have a big head though. But you got a big ass hand. I mean, my hand's kind of like, I got like skinny piano finger hands.
They look about like the same size if you look in the camera.
Yeah, but you got a meatier palm. I got like a more of like a, feel the bottom of my palm. I got Anthony Germs. What if that's the hand you jerk off with, dog? Like,
do you want to know?
Nah, mine's my left.
Well, that was the hand that I jerked off.
It was.
It was.
Why do you do that to me?
That's how. Well, whenever I see you and I'm like, yo, what's good, Manny, and shit like that, that's also the hand that I jerk off.
Why would you do that to me?
What do you want me to do?
I'm just
Why
fucking
are you
around.
jerking off with your left hand? Aren't you right-handed?
Nah, it feels like it really is true. Like, kind of feels like a different person.
Do you put little red fingernails on it? Spray a tad bit of perfume
Just fucking
on the left hand.
No.
And just go to fucking town on it.
I like that. I like that shit. I gotta get a crucified. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna get the crucified skinhead somewhere. Ow. 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 Why are you hitting me?
No, because I'm a bully.
Ow! I knew you were gonna slap my tattoo.
Oh shit! I forgot.
Yeah, that's cool. That's fine.
God. I'm not gonna hit it and it's like, oh my god, it's an M now.
No, yeah, you're right.
You know, like, I wish that this didn't like take up so much space. This takes up like a wide variety of space. Like, look, hold on, see if I. How do you fold this up again?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know.
Oh, I do like this thing.
So you take this out. Look at all this room, man. There's room for activities.
So much room for activities.
There's room for activities in this area.
What brown shit did you have in your hand? Because now it's in my aquifer.
What brown shit that I have in my hand? I only woke up like 3 hours ago.
Take a shower?
Did I take a shower?
Did you?
Last night I took a shower, yes.
Well, it doesn't matter, man.
What, do you think I shat on you?
You shot my dad!
That's funny.
It doesn't matter, it's fucking...
It would. I feel like it would matter if I shit on you.
Yeah, it would. I would be kind of offended. I'd be like, Anthony shit on me. He doesn't really appreciate me. Why?
I'm just folding my shorts. This is my new clothing rack. Yeah.
That dude did that shit mad quick too. He did like that shit like in 20 minutes type deal.
Found my hairbrush. I haven't used this in about 3 months. That's not true. Yo, you know how to put in like doorknobs?
Kinda. Isn't it kind of self-explanatory?
I think it is, but I never opened this thing. Here, I need something to open this with.
Do you need something to open it with?
See, no. Oh, fuck. My fuck. That's cute.
Why do you do that?
I don't hit my head on the fan. Here, keep that phone steady, because I need to get something to cut this shit.
Oh, well, forget it. You already fucked it up. You fucked it up! Just like you slapped my dad! And you fucking flipped the phone. That's what you did. That's what you did. That's what you did, bro.
It's all right.
You fucked it up! Now the sheet's not right. Now it's kind of in the fucking camera. Damn it. Pull out the sheet. No, damn it. Now I got it. I had it at an angle I liked, and now you fucked it up. Why are you doing that to me? Why are you doing that to us?
It's kind of fun.
Well, yeah.
Oh, I don't even need this.
Why? What's wrong? Well,
It just comes right out.
What don't you need? What do you not need?
This?
Oh, damn. I gotta look at this shit. Are you major pain?
No.
Some major pain shit. Like shave your head with this shit?
No, dude, Dick's. You can just go and get that at Dick's.
No, bro. You never seen the movie Major Pain?
No, I've seen the movie Major Pain, but like,
Who's in that movie?
I don't remember what his name is. Just like with the deaf kid or whatever. What's his name?
With the deaf kid?
One of the. I don't fucking know. One of the Wayne dickheads.
Yeah, it
One
is.
of the Wayne dickheads. I don't know what the fuck his
Gonna
name.
feel a little pressure. That movie's funny as hell. My dad used to love that movie.
I don't know how you do this. Stop hitting my doorknob. That's so many things.
Just unscrew yours and put that one in.
Do you know the first thing on how to do this shit?
I think I have the. It's supposed to be self-explanatory.
I'm reading it. I mean, if it comes with instructions, I'm sure.
It comes with instructions.
Sí, señor.
It comes with. Why? You put a lock on your door?
Hmm?
You want privacy? You
Yeah,
don't
for
want
my
people
sex
to
dungeon.
know. Oh, you're gonna have a BDSM sex dungeon in your room? Awesome.
Sure, why not?
He's getting pegged in the asshole.
Alright. I don't think. I would vote against that notion. You fucking.
He liked his ball slap.
Who was it that got pegged in our class?
John Bennett, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That's
dude,
fucking
I didn't
funny.
mean to even put his name out there like that. Like,
It's alright, no, he's a good guy. It's fine, I'll be alright.
he's a good guy. Have you seen him recently?
No, not at all.
Good dropping all types of shit.
No, this is all shit. This is all crap.
I want to do something with this, but I don't know what. I'm not gonna fucking. He doesn't know how to put one of these fucking shits in. It should be pretty. I think. What do you guys think? I think you put the fucking knot. Yeah, I totally get it now. This part. Look, if you guys want to know how to put a doorknob in, that fucking metal part just goes right through the middle of this, like right here. And there you go. This motherfucker's having such a hard time. I don't know why. Let's help him out. I'm gonna help him out when we get back. What did he say he was gonna do again? I don't even remember what he said he fucking left to do. Well. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I remember when he got this fucking bass. He got it mad long ago. I guarantee, yo, it's actually not as dusty as I would picture it to be. I think he actually does fuck around with it. Now I'm just at a loss of words because now it's just me sitting here looking kind of stupid. Yeah, but I just got this tattoo over here, the fear one. He slapped it. Fucking. Still looks good though. Sorry, I just gotta fucking wash it later. But hit me with this jerk off hand. That's what he did. I can't believe you just left mid-video, though. Come on, man. Like, I think he's coming. I hear footsteps. Finally, he came back. He left me here all alone. I look like a fucking idiot on this fucking video.
I can't find.
Can't find what?
I can't find the drill.
You don't have a screwdriver?
I have a screwdriver, yeah.
So here's what I think you have to do with this, because I was explaining it to them on the video. You have to put that fucking metal post right through this. You see? There you go. So when you turn it, latches it.
But the insulation is what I want to. Don't you just like, do you just screw it on? What do you do with this?
Let me see. Oh, I think this is for one of these knobs, man. I don't fucking know, dude. What, are people just coming in your room and that's why you're putting the lock?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, good job. Good job.
I lost it. No, I didn't. It's right there. You're good. I'm sorry. Is that what you want to do? Is that what you want from me?
Sure.
Hmm?
Sure. Where's the, what did you read from the instructions? Oh,
I don't know. I didn't read anything. I just fucking kind of looked at it and eyeballed
oh,
it.
you just looked at shit.
Why you always major fucking... No, I can't. Whatever.
That's in case the
Would never
Nazis
hurt my friend
inside.
Anthony. That's my friend. Anthony. That's how his dad says it. Anthony. And Anthony.
See, I don't know.
Yeah, you know my fucking friend Anthony. It's fucking Anthony's.
All I need is a Phillips head for this. I have one in the back, but it's just, I don't know.
You just fucking use. You're just there at the doorknob, like just using this like.
Not that. I have.
You're just like, I'm gonna get it off.
It's rusty, but I got it.
Stab you with a rusty screwdriver.
That would hurt. I'm not really good.
Yeah, you'll probably get an infection.
If you don't have a tennis shot.
Did I forget one of those? I'm not even sure if I even got my own tetanus shot. Fuck, now I'm worried. So what's the verdict? Do you know how to do it?
No, I have no idea how to do this.
He's like, no. No. Is that why you went to VOTEC? To not know how to do this? I'm just joking.
I didn't know this shit if I went to like canning shop.
Yo, what the fuck did we learn in HVAC? I don't remember damn shit. All I kind of remember is kind of how to slap freaking the ductwork together.
This really doesn't tell you anything. This really doesn't tell you shit. This is just telling you like the parts. I feel like you're better off looking at like a YouTube channel. You're better off just looking on YouTube. How to... That's the bad thing.
Well, you said that shit. You're better off just looking on YouTube.
100%. Keys and everything.
Indeed.
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 Just pull up. Yo, you gotta put this shit away.
Why?
Cause I know I'm just gonna. Yo, that's a fucking instructions. This is what I think about your.
Hey, oh, hey, you psychopath. Stop touching shit.
Stop
touching
back
shit.
up with that,
All
man.
right.
I know you fucking Michael Myers, motherfucker. Michael Myers, they go. Well, I got a screwdriver, yo. Get you right in the booty. Oh, no, get the fuck.
Yo, this shit was so small.
Damn it, I hate when it fucking does that. I just look. Stop!